What I'm doing is spraying it off with some water first, but I'm spraying it from the inside out. Not sure if you can tell, a lot of mud coming off of this. Okay, not sure if you can see all that mud. That's right here. That's all Dakota mud. It's all over my driveway now. Okay, I'm gonna spray this from this side. I'm keeping the pressure away, not too close. That way it doesn't damage the fins of my radiator. Okay, let's get some more mud off it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just a lot of road grime and dirt. I am going to take my saddlebags off. First, I was going to rinse a little bit of the mud first, but I do have to take my saddlebags off in order to get that back wheel cleaned, because I know it's going to have tons of mud in there. I'm going to use Mr. Pink. Put in my sprayer right here, put some water in it, and get this bike foamed up. A little bit more. This side, my fairing. Okay, I think that'll do it. You let it sit and see the way it's running down. That's what's pulling the whatever's dirt is left on your paint job there. Okay, I'm gonna wait a while and then I'm gonna rinse it off. Okay, I waited a couple minutes. Probably about 5 minutes. See how all the suds have come down? It's taken a lot of the dirt off. And again, it's Mr. Pink. I'm doing it through my sprayer there. And Mr. Pink, I purchased it. I think it was Chemical Guys. There you go. It was through Chemical Guys here, a local distributor here in Tucson. So guys, let me get this bike rinsed off of it and then start scrubbing it. Okay, well, let's get her scrubbed down now. I'm going to spray this. It's a condenser foaming cleaning. I use this for my AC unit, and I think I'm going to spray. I did this before I left the Sturgis. Now I'm going to do it after, and what it does, it cleans your coil. Gotta do this. That or take it to India and have them clean it. Allows more air to get in there. And trust me, it will run more efficient, cooler. All you do is spray it in and just let it's already turning brown, which means there is dirt in there, right? Okay, I got it all sprayed. And basically you just let it sit for like 30 seconds. Okay, I can't really see because of the fan, but at least I can spray a little bit right around here. Right? I'm gonna hit the other side. I'm gonna let it do its job now and then get it sprayed off with just running water. Guess when you're traveling 1,000 miles backcountry roads, definitely gonna be bugs, and there's a lot of wind, dirt, rain, and that accumulation with the bugs really stuck on, especially after baking them coming to Arizona. It only got up to 104, but it baked everything on. So what I do is I use my ryobi, and I use a soft bristle brush. And this is what I pretty much do to a lot of my stuff that I know it doesn't damage. Let me know if anybody uses this technique. This is what I use to clean my lures too. Just spray Mr. Clean on there. This I don't put Mr. Clean on my bike. I just use some regular car washing soap. Good. Actually, I use Mr. Clean or Super Clean there, and then I do the scrubber here. And I got a more aggressive scrubber, but this one works well for my motorcycle. Works really good for the light. You know, it's not gonna hurt using a little. Your life a lot easier. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get a bucket of soap and water and get this bike really, because if you can tell, it's still, that's not Thunder Black. What do you call that? I call it South Dakota, Wyoming, Nebraska, Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona grime. What do you guys call it? Well, these are some of my tools for the arsenal. And I use a 2-bucket system, 1 bucket of clean water, and the other bucket full of soap. So I do the dumping and dumping from one bucket to the next bucket. That way I'm not putting dirt back on the bike. Oh boy, let's get this going. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. I got home yesterday after leaving Sturgis, Rapid City area. Took me 2.5 days or 2 days. Got here the 3rd day actually, about noon. And of course, first thing I do is just strip down everything. And after getting that bag of chili, I needed to get that off the bike as well. I ended up doing my laundry, and boy did I have laundry. And I'm still not done with my laundry. Gotta clean my rain gear now because it has mud on it. But besides that, I'll be done with the laundry. Now I'm doing my bike. And of course, remember, this is my arsenal stuff right here. So here's my 2-bucket system here. So got these guards that you drop in your bucket, because then it separates the dirty stuff to the clean stuff. It'll just sink to the bottom. I got one over here. So one will be the clean bucket, which is right here. That'll be rinsing off my sponge here. And this sponge, I got it from the rag company, from the experts that actually do car washes, hand car washes for life. You know, that's their job, that's what they do. And I can't remember the guru that invented this, but what you do when you're dipping it in your soap, your cleaning area, and it gets all the grid, the area that you're cleaning, stuck in these little grooves. Then you do the wash system over here, which you're cleaning the sponge off. Then you reapply it to the soap, and then you clean it. Is it too much of a issue? Well, this is the way professionals do it. And I've been doing this for a while on my cars, and it works wonders. I also do a rinseless wash. Once the bike is clean or the car is clean, I wash my bike in the garage just with the sponge and a rinseless formula that I got ordered and delivered, and that's what I use. And all you do is apply it, and then you use your big woolly towel from Chemical Guys, right? Chemical Guys, thumbs up, and it dries the car. So for now, let's get some soap, put in this bucket. How's that? Okay, I got the bike all washed. Woo! Well, as you can see, now you can tell that it's thunder black. It's all cleaned. Doing good. I'll probably have to clean it again, but this is my first wash. I'll probably have to wash it again in about a week or two after writing some more, just to kind of pinpoint some of the areas that I couldn't really see about cleaning. And some of them areas are really rough to tell. Like right here, see, that's sturdy still. Look at the difference between that. See, I really couldn't get in there with the sponge. Probably with a small bristle brush, then I can clean it. Same thing with the wheels. You can see the wheels are still a little bit dirty after cleaning them. Look at that. That mud coming out of Buffalo Chip the long way, all the way back to, what was it, I-90? One of the highways. And it was terrible. Potholes filled with water and raining. And I came out of that. So let me know what you guys think, okay? I like to hear some of the stories of other people that came out of Buffalo Chip riding. I mean, the whole time I rode from Arizona to South Dakota, so this was my means of transportation. I'm not sure. I'm over here sweaty and stuff. Got cleaned up a little bit. Think I'm going to clean up some more. Okay, guys, face the road.